Hey guys, I've never experienced such tasty and flavorful pasta with mushrooms. This is my granny's recipe and you definitely should try to cook it. Cut mushrooms into small cubes. The smaller they are, the tastier they will be. Cut the onion in the same way as mushrooms. Heat up the pan and add oil, but not too much, as it can make the pasta too greasy. Put the onion into the pan and fry it until it's golden. Add mushrooms and fry for another 5-6 minutes on a medium heat. When the mushrooms are fried, pour in 100 ml of cream, add a little salt, pepper and coriander while stirring evenly. Cover with a lid and simmer on a low heat for 5-10 minutes. At the same time boil water, add some salt and cook the spaghetti. When the spaghetti is done, drain the water and add a cube of butter. It will add extra flavor and prevent spaghetti from sticking. Place the spaghetti on a plate and top with the cooked mushrooms. The sauce will soak the spaghetti and you will feel incredible flavor, as if the nature itself has joined your dinner. Thanks for watching and enjoy your meal.